Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, everyone. I am John, your English learning friend.
And I am Bella. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to our channel.
Today, we have a very fun episode for you.
Yes, very, very fun. Today, we are going grocery shopping.
We are going to Walmart.
Oh, I love Walmart.
Me too, Bella. Me too. Today, we have a very fun episode for you.
Yes, very, very fun. Today, we are going grocery shopping.
We are going to Walmart.
Oh, I love Walmart.
Me too, Bella. Me too.
Now, before we start, let me tell you something about our show. We speak slowly
Yes, we speak slowly and clearly.
because we want you to understand every single word.
If you are a beginner, this show is for you.
And if you are not a beginner, this show is also for you.
Everyone is welcome here, okay? This is a safe place to learn English.
No stress, no pressure, just easy, fun English.
All right, are you ready?
I am so ready. Let's go to Walmart.
Okay, so it is Saturday morning.
Saturday morning is the best time to go shopping.
I agree. The weather is nice, the sun is shining.
And we need food. Our fridge is very empty.
Oh no, very empty? What do we have?
We have some water.
That's it?
That's it. Just water.
Okay, we definitely need to go shopping.
Yes, so first things first, we need a shopping list.
A shopping list. This is very important, everyone. Always make a shopping list before you go.
If you don't make a list, you forget things.
And you also buy things you don't need.
Like chocolate.
Bella loves chocolate, everyone. She always buys chocolate.
Hey, chocolate is important.
Okay. So, let's write our list. What do we need, Bella?
Okay, first, we need eggs.
Eggs. Good. How many eggs?
1 dozen. That means 12 eggs.
1 dozen equals 12. Remember that, everyone. 1 dozen equals 12.
Next, we need milk.
Milk. Okay. How much milk?
1 gallon. A gallon is a big bottle of milk.
Good. What else?
We need bread, butter, apples, bananas, chicken, rice, and pasta.
Wow. That is a long list.
And chocolate. Don't forget chocolate.
Fine. And chocolate.
Yay!
Okay, everyone. We have our list. Now, let's go to Walmart.
We are here. We are at Walmart.
Look at this place. It is big. Walmart is a very big store.
Yes, Walmart sells many, many things. Food, clothes, electronics, toys,
You can find almost everything here.
almost everything.
Okay, first, we need a shopping cart.
A shopping cart. This is the big metal basket on wheels.
You push it around the store and you put your items inside.
Got one. Okay, let's go inside.
The doors open automatically. You just walk up and the doors open for you.
Magic!
Not magic, Bella. It's technology.
In English, when doors open by themselves, we say they are automatic doors.
Automatic doors. Say it with us. Automatic doors.
Good. Now we are inside. It is cool in here.
Yes, Walmart has air conditioning. In English, we say AC, or air conditioning.
On a hot day, air conditioning feels so good.
It really does. Okay, let's follow our list. Where do we start?
Let's start with fruits and vegetables. The produce section.
The produce section. Produce means fresh fruits and vegetables.
Say it with us. Produce section.
Oh wow, look at all these fruits. Everything looks so fresh and colorful.
I know. I love this part of the store.
Okay, we need apples. Where are the apples?
Right here. Look at these beautiful red apples.
In English, we can say red apples or green apples.
Red apples are sweet. Green apples are a little sour.
Sour means a sharp taste, like lemons.
Lemons are very sour. Ooh.
Okay, let's get some red apples. How many?
Let's get 6 apples.
6 red apples. Into the cart.
Now, bananas. I see them over there.
Yes, look at those yellow bananas. They look perfect.
When bananas are yellow, they are ready to eat.
When they are green, they are not ready yet. They need more time.
And when they are brown, they are very sweet. Great for banana bread.
Oh, banana bread is delicious.
So delicious. Okay, let's grab one bunch of bananas.
A bunch of bananas means a group of bananas all connected together.
A bunch. Into the cart.
Good. We have apples and bananas. Let's move on.
Now, we need milk and eggs. Those are in the dairy section.
The dairy section. Dairy means products that come from milk, like milk, cheese, butter, and yogurt.
The dairy section is usually at the back of the store.
Why? Do you know why, Bella?
Because everyone needs milk, so the store puts it far away.
So that you walk through the whole store first.
And you see many other things, and you buy more things. Very clever.
Very clever. It's a business strategy.
Okay, here we are, the dairy section. Look, so many types of milk.
Yes, there's whole milk, skim milk, 2% milk, almond milk, oat milk.
So many choices.
Whole milk has the most fat. It is rich and creamy.
Skim milk has very little fat. It is lighter.
Which one should we get?
Let's get whole milk, the delicious one.
Okay, 1 gallon of whole milk. Into the cart.
Now, eggs. We need 1 dozen eggs. Remember? 12 eggs.
Here they are. Look at these. We have white eggs and brown eggs.
What is the difference?
Actually, there is no difference in taste. They taste the same.
Really? I always thought brown eggs were healthier.
Many people think that, but it is not true. The color just depends on the type of chicken.
Wow, I learned something new today.
Learning new things every day. That's what we do.
Let's grab a dozen white eggs. Into the cart.
Don't drop them, Bella.
I won't. I am very careful.
Now let's find the bread aisle.
An aisle, everyone. An aisle is a long passage in a store. You walk down the aisle and you see products on both sides.
Left side and right side. Products everywhere.
Here is the bread aisle. Oh my goodness, so many breads.
White bread, wheat bread, sourdough bread, bagels, rolls.
Which one do you want, John?
Let's get wheat bread. It is healthier.
Healthy, John. I like it.
Wheat bread is made from whole wheat flour. It has more fiber. Fiber is good for your body.
Good for your digestion. Okay, 1 loaf of wheat bread. Into the cart.
A loaf of bread. That is how we count bread. 1 loaf, 2 loaves.
1 loaf, 2 loaves. Good vocabulary, everyone.
Now pasta. We need pasta.
Oh, I love pasta. Spaghetti, penne, fettuccine.
Pasta has many shapes. Isn't that interesting?
It really is. All shapes, but they are all pasta.
Let's get spaghetti. Simple and classic.
Spaghetti it is. And we need pasta sauce too. Can we get pasta sauce?
It's not on the list.
But John, you can't have pasta without sauce.
You have a point. Okay, 1 jar of pasta sauce. Into the cart.
Yes! Now, the meat section. We need chicken. The meat section. Here you can find chicken, beef, pork, fish, shrimp.
So many options.
We need chicken. What type of chicken?
We can get chicken breast. That is the lean part of the chicken. Very healthy.
Lean means it has less fat, so it is a healthier choice.
Or we can get chicken thighs. They are juicier and more flavorful.
I want juicy chicken.
Chicken thighs it is. Let's get 1 pack.
You know what goes perfectly with chicken? Rice.
And rice is also on our list. Let's go find the rice.
The rice is in the dry goods aisle. Dry goods means food that is dry, like rice, beans, lentils, flour, sugar.
Dry goods. Great vocabulary word for today.
We'll get a bag of long grain white rice. Perfect.
Into the cart.
Okay, I think we have everything on our list.
Let's check. Eggs, check. Milk, check. Bread, check. Butter, check.
Apples and bananas, check. Chicken, check. Rice, check. Pasta and sauce, check.
And chocolate.
Oh, I almost forgot. We need to go back.
I'm joking. I already put it in the cart. Here it is.
John, you scared me.
I'm joking, everyone. This phrase means I am not serious. It was a joke.
John loves to joke, everyone. Be careful with this man.
Okay, we have everything. Now, let's go to the checkout.
The checkout is the place where you pay for your items.
You can choose a regular checkout lane where a cashier helps you,
A cashier is the person who works at the register and takes your money.
or you can use the self-checkout.
Self-checkout. You scan everything yourself. No cashier needed.
Scan means you hold the item under a machine and it reads the barcode.
The barcode is that small black and white striped sticker on everything you buy.
Let's use the regular checkout today. I want to talk to the cashier.
Good idea. Great practice.
Okay, everyone, watch this. This is a very useful conversation. Very simple. You can use this at any store.
The cashier says, "Hi there. Did you find everything okay?"
And I say, yes, thank you. Everything was easy to find.
Then the cashier starts scanning your items, one by one.
And then the cashier says, your total is $42.75.
Your total means the full amount of money you need to pay.
I say, here is my card. And I tap my card on the machine.
These days, many people pay by tapping their card. It is very fast, very easy.
The machine beeps and says, payment approved.
Approved means accepted. The payment went through.
The cashier says, have a great day.
And I say, you too. Thank you so much.
Short, simple, friendly. That is how you talk at the checkout.
And you can do this. I know you can.
We are done. We have all our groceries.
That was so fun. I love grocery shopping.
It is fun when you know the English words. Now you know so many new words.
Let's review. Everyone, let's go over the words from today.
Shopping list. The paper where you write what you need to buy.
Shopping cart. The big metal basket on wheels.
Produce section. Fresh fruits and vegetables.
Dairy section. Milk, eggs, butter, cheese, yogurt.
Aisle. The long passage between shelves in a store.
A loaf of bread. One whole bread.
A dozen. 12 eggs.
Checkout, where you pay.
Cashier. The person who helps you pay.
And your total is the full amount you need to pay.
Wow, that is so many words. And you learned them all just by listening.
That is the power of listening, everyone. You learn English by listening.
Not just studying grammar, not just memorizing vocabulary lists.
But by listening to natural, easy, slow English, like this.
We hope today's episode was helpful for you.
And fun. Was it fun? I think it was fun.
It was very fun, especially the chocolate part.
Always the chocolate.
Okay, everyone. Before we go, we want to ask you something.
Something very important.
If you enjoyed today's episode,
If you learned something new today,
if you smiled even one time,
then please subscribe to our channel.
click that subscribe button right now. It is free.
100% free, and it helps us so much.
When you subscribe, you never miss a new episode.
We make new episodes every week. New stories, new vocabulary, new conversations.
And all of it in slow, easy English, just for you.
Also, please hit the like button. It takes only 1 second.
1 second of your time means the world to us.
And leave us a comment. Tell us, what did you learn today?
Write one new word from today's episode in the comments.
Can you do that? Yes, you can.
We read every single comment. Every one.
We love reading your comments so much. It makes us so happy.
You are not alone on this English learning journey.
We are with you every step of the way.
I am John.
I am Bella.
And this is Slow and Easy English.
Thank you for watching. We love you. Bye.
See you in the next episode. Take care, everyone. Goodbye.